Good morning, guys. I am in front of the shopping center in Blacktown City. So we'll have tour around the block. Okay. So we're just walking to the train station from the mall. Just walking towards the train station now. It's just a short walk from the West Point. Yeah, beside the train station, that is the taxi stand up there. So the shops are still closed. So these are all the delivery people doing deliveries. So this is the taxi stand. So that's the taxi stand at the train station. And this is where you sit waiting for your taxi because there's a line there. Okay, so you can take the stairs. You can take the stairs or you can take the escalator there. And if you want, you have a choice. You can take the lift. So we will take the lift to concourse. So, arita sa concourse. Kay S Street man na. Ato tadi tas. Yan diri ang
concourse.
So, niya na ta sa concourse. Ano din ito ng klase sa train? So, nabot na. Yeah, say mga shops there, eh? There's shops as well. Here. Tobacconist. There's a coffee shop. Of course, there's a McDonald's. There's lots of shops. And this is you look at the timetable. So this is the timetable here.
So you're going to the airport, are you? Okay. So you're
That is
going
the
to need
plan.
to pay the $20.
You just have to find your destination and then
So you got one off
which platform.
together, okay. But either way, you
So if you're going to Katoomba
just top up. You can get it into the back.
and you go to platform
They'll do cash for you.
platform 6. We're going to Richmond, platform 2. You're going to platform 3. If you're going to Central, you're going to the city, platform 5. So these are all the next train trip.
You're not going to lose it. It stays on there anyway.
So this is all the entryway. You have to swipe your Opal card there when you go in. You swipe your card. Just go in where just the green light with the arrow, because this one's on the other side. It's for the people coming out. So this one If you take the bus going to the train station, there's a bus terminal is on the left side. So this stands is for the bus going to different areas from different suburbs. Like this one here. This is the bus stop. See? A different stands. So this is the bus stop. And this train station also has its own parking. I think it's a 4-story parking building. Yeah, it's just up here. So the bus just arrived and the buses. One is, yeah, that's free parking for passengers. But you have to be early. The top floor is not covered. So if you want to park in a covered area, you have to come early. There. Like a 4-story. That's free parking. And yet, it's not enough. People are parking on the streets. They have to walk 2 blocks away. So let's take the lift down to go to the other side of the station where there's the parking. Passengers parking to the 4-story building. So I go down that way. So that's the opposite side of where we came from. We have to take the lift, so it's easier for our knees.
Street level.
Street level.
Going.
So this one here, you can take the stairs or you can take the lift. Commuter car park. So that's free. So the stairs, have to go down the stairs. It's actually, so that is the entrance to the 4-story car park. So you can see from here. Na dako juga ayo ning parking space dire para sa train commuters. O kuan man ni 4 stories. Dako jud kaayo ngadto. Mao ni ang entrance ug exit o. Ana commuter car park. This is also parking, council parking. So you can still park here for free. So this is provided, space provided by the council. So, and you can also park on the side streets, There are a specific parking for um, PWDs, like this one. Let's get a sign. PWD parking. See? It's a specific for parking. But you need to have your car must have a sticker. So it must have a sticker provided by the you know where you register your cars? Yeah. You need to get a sticker for you to be able to park in that area. Or else you'll get a fine. Penalty. Hey guys. Thank you for watching. It's coffee time now. See you next time. Please subscribe.